You searched how to buy shares of Acerinox SA. Acerinox is a global stainless steel and specialty alloys manufacturer listed on CBOE EU under the ticker ACX.MC, and this is educational content, not financial advice. To purchase shares, you need a broker. I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds to enable purchases. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker ACX.MC. Then locate the Acerinox SA listing that trades on CBOE EU to ensure you have the correct stock. On the asset page, check the basic company information and view the price chart for recent movements. Confirm the company name, market CBOE EU and the ACX.MC ticker before proceeding. Click Invest or Buy. Select the amount you want to allocate, then carefully review and confirm the order details. If the market is closed, the order may be queued or set as a limit, and if you lack funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. After execution, the position will appear in your portfolio, where you can monitor it. For convenience, the eToro link is available in the description.